Hi guys, this is Prem Mahakali. Welcome back to my channel. It's been really long that I've been out to shoot professionally, and yeah, today I'm going to shoot for a friend of mine. This is another episode in my vlog section, and today I'll be showing you most of the shoot and all the BTS behind it. And all you guys have to know is that this involves photography and rings in it, and you know how much I crave for rings. So yeah, this is going to be a fun video, so let's enjoy and let's go. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys, this is Prem Mahakali. Welcome back to my channel. This is another episode in my vlog section. Enjoy the vlog with me. Bye bye. So, as I'm a man of time and I'm very much punctual on whatever I do, this is the first time I'm actually. So guys, as I feel that the location is very good and I also have to wait because the person who really has the photo shoot to be done is late, or maybe I am early, so I have got nothing else to do. I'll be shooting few mobile photos and I might be sharing those with you through my stories and also I guess in this video. So yeah, let's go. So guys, clicking pictures, I have totally forgotten that I am very much late to the shoot. I was actually the person who was early to the shoot, but we actually changed the location and everything got messed up and I really have to go to the shoot. I'm 20 minutes already late, so I'll meet you back there. Bye bye. So we are in this location and my friend, she did come after taking a very long while. And you know what, this is the first time that she's watching my video on YouTube right now. Very insane. So yeah, she's the one who does craft rings and what, I mean, can you
jewellery.
Yeah,
Resin art jewellery.
yeah, and she does awesome job guys. I'll be linking her Instagram in my description, also check that out. And I'll be showing you a few photos and her products. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so I couldn't record. I mean, like we couldn't shoot more because it was raining. So we had to. We also had a plan of shooting indoor. So we did some product photography, and guys, I'm telling you, MYRA collections is very amazing. I have particularly chose Anjali, that is the founder and the one who is behind MYRA, because she does a really good craft and she's very good in what she does. So yeah, I'll be giving you her link in the description. Do check that out, and also if you like the video, do hit the like button, do subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, I'll be meeting you in the next video. So yeah, until then, peace out.